It is 7 a.m. in the Fluent household, and I think everybody's awake. Are you awake, Daniel?
So it's time to wake up.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Will you help me get Alex?
Yeah, I am cute.
You look cute. Yeah, you do.
You see, put the door open.
Good morning, Alexander. It's good to see you. How did you sleep? Did you sleep good? Oh, good job. Good morning.
That's a good one.
Daniel, what'd you draw?
A potato head.
Wow, you did that all on your own?
Yeah.
Show me all the parts.
Arm, hair, face, eggs.
Very nice. Wow, Daniel. Your drawing skills have now eclipsed my own. Our garage door stopped closing, so we're gonna get new garage doors today.
Is that I changed it because the first. Hardwired. They're.
Oh, they're all wireless now. Okay. Were they hardwired before?
No.
About the boopsies.
Like we need the fireplace on.
Boop.
Hey,
Cheese.
Daniel.
These stuff in, I always put these stuff in. You just choose me.
Oh my God, he's making out with the phone.
The cracked phone.
Cuéntale, abuelita, ¿a dónde vamos nosotros los fines de semana? Todos los sábados, ¿a dónde vamos?
To the library.
Así. Y encuentran libros bonitos.
Yeah.